See the Golden Gate Bridge over there.
Oh my god.
She's happy. So right now we're at a place called Twin Peaks, and it's sort of like a mountain or hills within the city, and it just gives some amazing views of San Francisco and everything around it, and basically the Bay Area too. And just look at that. You have downtown San Francisco over there, and that's Elina enjoying the view. And yeah, so let's go walk around, see some of the stuff over here, and as always I'll take you guys with me. Alright, so what do you think of that?
I loved it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Such a good view.
That's definitely a very cool view. One of the best places to go when you're in San Francisco. If any of you are going soon, go check out Twin Peaks. It's a short drive up. I noticed there's some buses going up here. So yeah, definitely check that out. And we're gonna go find some other fun stuff to do. We still have our last day here in San Francisco, so we're gonna go see some stuff. So we ended up going to a neighborhood in San Francisco called Haight-Ashbury. You got some cool like 60s, 70s influence here, and you can definitely see that in some of the shops and some of the buildings you see here. We'll be walking around this area, probably grab some lunch, grab a coffee, and yeah, we'll take you guys with us. It's the Love of Ganesha, alright. Look at this cool store. Just went inside of here. Cal Surplus and Davis. Some Haight-Ashbury. Very cool store. Actually bought ourselves a little California Republic flag. 12 bucks. Can't go wrong with that. It's like you got these wall murals all over the place. Very cool. Little legs sticking out there. Really cool. The street art is very cool over here. Definitely some talented artists. Oh wow.
Oh my god. Feels like I'm, yeah.
These are glasses you can buy. Crazy. How you doing?
I'm good. I'm actually looking for gluten-free pizza.
Yeah, that's right. So for those of you that don't know Elina has a bit of a strict diet, so we have to find some gluten-free pizza. But we saw some before, cauliflower pizza, right?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. So we're gonna find some good stuff.
So excited.
Finally ordered pizza. Alright, she's happy. The entire gluten-free pizza. I gotta say, it does look pretty good.
It's been so long since I ate pizza.
I got a couple of slices. Yeah, we just saw Amoeba, which is this legendary music store. I think it might actually be a music label too, but I'll have to do some research on that. Yeah, a lot of cool records in there, like LPs and all kinds of CDs. So very cool to see. A little refreshment. Check out the beach over here. I'll leave the camera in the car because, well, I want to get sand and everything in it, so we'll be back to you guys soon.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto Erie Boulevard.
This guy's quite far away.
Step Brothers.
Listen to that thing. Oh, behind us, behind us. This is a Lamborghini Urus. That's a nice car. Oh shit, cannot see anything. That's so dangerous. Hey man. It's funny.
You say hi to everyone.
Well, this guy looked at me, he smiled. I was like, hey man. Yeah, come on. I'm a friendly guy, okay? What do you want me to do? Go get the bags. Thank you. Alright, so we're here, back at the hotel. Yotel. That's right. Elina's just gonna run in, grab the bags. We're gonna take this bad boy back to where he came from. Organize her stuff. There she is.
2.2 miles. Stay to the left, the US 101 South, San Jose.
Dropped off the rental car. Now on our way to the airport. Just got dropped off by the valet. Gotta get the air train to the terminal. And it's time to go home. You're sad? We're leaving.
Yeah. Very sad.
We had a great time here. Very productive for me too, and definitely some fun time in the city.
We're leaving.
Elina's doing her homework. So we're about to board the airplane. I'm gonna check out here. Yeah, we're gonna head home. It's a night flight, so we'll have to sleep in the airplane. It's gonna be arriving at 6 a.m. So it's gonna be a rough night. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next one.